What's going on, guys? A little bit out of my wheelhouse, but the company that sent me the LED garage lights I did a video for also sent me this electric bug zapper to try out. It's got a plastic cage and a detachable tray there to empty the bug carcasses. I'll show you the zapper in action here. And some of them get pretty barbecued, so they get stuck to the zapping element. But as I'll show you in a little bit, you can kind of remedy that by just tapping it lightly on the ground. I've tried it a couple of nights so far, and it's worked really well for me, especially out back. We let the dog out the back sliding door, and it's nice to have the bug zapper turned on because they get attracted to this rather than the flood lamp for the backyard. So we get a lot less bugs in the house with this thing on. It has like a 3 or 4 foot cord that you plug in, just regular wall outlet. Here's some specs on it for you if you're interested in any of that. And here's the zapper itself. Got the cord just twist tied there for now, a little hook to hang it from. Also comes with this little brush here so you can brush out the dead bugs without having to touch them. And a little bit of a user manual here. Bulb replacement, how to use it, all that fun stuff. Now, I don't know why you would need this on your nightstand unless you live in the middle of a forest in Africa or something, but as you can see there, you can just rest the bug zapper on the ground. It doesn't necessarily have to be hanging. Now, I'm not seeing anywhere if it mentions, I would assume, being that it's electric, you wouldn't want to have it on in the rain or anything, so just err on the side of caution there. I wouldn't use it in the rain. I haven't had mine on in the rain. I just leave it on for a certain amount of time, unplug it when I go to bed. Also be a little mindful where you place it. Obviously, the zapper is going to generate some heat. You don't want to have it too close to anything. I do have it a little close to the house here, but there's a couple inch buffer there, and I'm going to be moving it in a little while anyway. I just kind of wanted to try it out for you guys. Come on, fly in there. Gotcha. Ha ha. Oof, that one's on fire. See him sizzling. Oh, he's on fire. Oof. Oh, that was a good one. It's not even fully dark out. Like, look at this. It's not even dark out. And this thing's been just killing it over the past 10, 15 minutes. I can't imagine middle of the night. This is gonna be great. Really good for us because I need the bugs to get attracted to that thing. So when we let the dog out the sliding door here, we turn this light on and it attracts the bugs. And we don't want to let all the bugs in the house. So this should save us a little bit. As you guys can see, it worked pretty good. There's a couple of bugs there that got fried pretty good. These are relatively cheap as well. I would post them down in the video description if you're interested. If this video helped you out, make sure you hit that like button, comment, and subscribe for more videos like this. Also, check out my socials. And as always, guys, thanks for watching. Have a great day.